today in this video we are going to find out if acne patches work or not. We are going to try and test this acne patch to see what it does. I came across this acne patch ad from Nua which claimed to flatten acne in 8 hours. Nua is a women's wellness brand. They make toxic-free period care and skincare products. I did try their skincare products and I love them all, especially the oil-free moisturizer, which is so good on oily skin. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that already. So I saw this Nua's acne patch ad and I thought, why not? Let's try to see if it works or not. So it comes in a box like this. When you open this box, you have this instruction card. And this is the actual patch. So when you cut open this packet, you will find the patches inside. So this is the butter sheet and this is the actual patch. There are 30 patches in this pack and there is two sizes. One is the small and one is the big. I washed my face as the instructions said to use it on clean and dry face. There's this active acne right on my cheek. This, if I leave it like this, the acne would become bigger in size. So today I'm going to use this patch from Nua. I take out one patch from the sheet and placing it directly on my acne. It's very lightweight. Honestly, I don't even feel like I'm having something on my face. And also there's no any stickiness, discomfort or itchiness. And see how it blends in really well with my skin. It's barely visible, guys. Now you are supposed to leave it for 8 hours or until it turns white. Now I go to sleep and I will see you in the next morning. The next morning I remove the patch. And to my surprise, there is a significant reduction in my pimple size. I am adding a before and after picture so that you guys can see the difference. If I did not use the patch, the acne would have increased in size by now. So how did it work? I was surprised to see that acne patches do work. So by the way, how did it work? So I turned the back of the packaging to check the ingredients and I was even more surprised to see there is only one ingredient in this patch and that is called Hydrocolloid, and this is the only ingredient that is present in the patch. Hydrocolloid works on the acne blemish by creating a protective seal over the skin while absorbing excess fluids such as oil and pus, flattening spots faster and reducing inflammation and skin redness. So that's what exactly it did. Do you hate it when a pimple shows up before your special event? Then this is something that you need to have in your vanity. It did flatten the acne in 8 hours and people could not find that you have an acne on. And this is your savior and this is your quick access to get rid of that acne. So yes, this product did not disappoint me and I could totally see myself using this product again and again. And also you can avail a flat 15% discount on this product using coupon code AP15. Link is in the description below. If you do want a quick fix for your acne, do try this out. Your skin will thank you. So if you're a person who's prone to acne, then definitely add this patch in your vanity. And also do buy this pack because we don't know when the pimple is gonna pop up. So yeah guys, the link will be in the description box. Do check that out. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.